So in this problem here, we're looking for find the sum of the first n terms. So we want to find un. Find the nth term slash un. Well, I know that s refers to the sum, so the addition of terms. So if I find s sub 1, so if I find s sub 1, which is then 3 times 1 squared minus 2 times 1, which is equal to 1, that means the sum of the first terms, like really the first term, is 1. So this is equal to u1, because if I'm only adding one term, that's the same thing. If I find s sub 2, that's 3 times 2 squared minus 2 times 2, because I'm plugging it into this formula, and I get 12 minus 4, which is 8. So that means u1 plus u2 is equal to 8. Well, u1, I know from up here, is 1 plus u2 is 8. So I know that u2 is equal to 7. So now I have 1, 7, and so on. I'm told that it is arithmetic, so that means the difference is plus 6. So u sub n is equal to the first term plus n minus 1 times the difference. This is un.